Welcome to JP Education videos. Today's is again simply hydrocarbons and we are going to see about alkenes. Now what are alkenes? Alkenes are compounds also called as unsaturated compounds, hydrocarbons which are unsaturated. Now what is unsaturated? A double bond. A double bond is formed between two carbon atoms, then that kind of compounds will be called as alkenes. The first member being C2H4, the first member has to contain two carbon atoms because the double bond will be formed only between the carbon atom, not with the hydrogen atom. So this is the first member of the series called as ethene, coming from the name ethane, two carbon ethene. Now second member is C3H6 called as propene, having three carbon but only one single double bond. The double bond can be here or here, whichever way the carbon containing the double bond will be named as number one. So it is simply propene. When I talk about the third member is called as C4H8, otherwise butene. Here the possibility of getting a double bond is more than one. If it is after the first carbon, it will be called as but1ene. So CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH2, but1ene. Second option is this double bond can be between, that is in between the second and the third carbon. Then that will be called as but2ene. So but1ene and but2ene are isomers which we'll deal in the next video. And the next member is pentene, C5H10, pentene, coming from the name pentane. So the general molecular formula for these kind of compounds, alkenes, can be given by CnH2n. When n is 2, n cannot be 1, the first member cannot be with 1. We need 2 carbons for the double bond. So n is 2, H will be 4, C2H4. That is the first member. C2H4 is the first member. Second member is C3H6, propene. Third member is C4H8, butene. Fourth member is C5H10, pentene. Sixth member is C6H12, hexene. All the successive members differ by a CH2, again a methylene group. So this is called as homologous series of alkenes. To know more about this, like, subscribe and press the bell button so that you can get notification then and there and you can see the videos. Happy learning. Thank you.